Hello viewers, welcome back. So this is our 22nd video as part of our series of video of the playlist Power of Data Analysis. In this video, we will walk through yet another forensic audit exceptional report, which is highest and lowest value transactions. One thing you'll have to remember that each of these exceptional report that Tally provides in the analysis and data verification is that if you miss out some exception in any one of the earlier exceptional report, you can catch them in the other exceptional report. So that's the whole premise in which these exceptional reports have been provided. So let us go to Tally and explore this feature of highest and lowest value transactions. This report will list ledger masters with a difference percentage range around the highest and lowest amounts. This is yet another variation of a forensic audit exceptional report, like the report we saw in our earlier video of the relative size factor. This report would again be beneficial to auditors when auditing their clients' books of accounts. The outlier percentage provides a glance at ledger transactions comparing their highest and lowest values, and the difference is displayed as the variance percentage. Let us understand this report better. Let us drill down and explore this report. We can see the name of the ledgers here. The highest amount column displays the value which is the highest transaction for that particular ledger. The second column provides the information of the lowest value, and this column will basically give you the difference between the highest amount and the lowest amount, and the last column basically gives you the difference range in percentage, which gives you this difference percentage range. You can see that in certain case the percentage difference is 75,900%. Remember the powerful F12 configuration. Now to sort the difference percentage range, increasing or decreasing, you can do so by clicking on F12 configure, and this option here, sorting method, we can select range percentage decreasing and accept the screen Control A. Now we can view the list of ledgers with the range percentage decreasing higher to lower. Further, if you want, we can filter out the percentage range also. Instead of seeing all the percentage variance range, we can specify our own percentage. So let's do that. Again, press F12 configure, and here if you notice show ledgers with range, let us select greater than 2500. When you press enter, it is 2500%. That means now you want to filter this report with only the difference range greater than 2500. So we can just press Control A, and we will see here that now Tally is filtered and giving you the list of only those highest and lowest value difference exceeding 2500 percentage. Let us now analyze this report. Now check this ledger purchase account. The highest amount is 10,71,000 and the lowest amount is 4,000. So the difference is 10,67,000, which constitutes 26,675%. Now this requires further analysis. How come there is such a small value of purchase could be one question. Could the data capture be wrong? Let us analyze this further. Select the purchase ledger and drill down. So here we are viewing the top 5 high value and top 5 low values. You can configure the list of high value transaction and low value transaction. Let us say you want to see top 10 high value transaction and low value transaction. How do we do that? Again, press F12 configure, and here the number of highest value transaction we can just type as 10, lowest value again type as 10, and just accept by pressing Ctrl A. And now we are viewing the top 10 highest value transaction and top 10 lowest value transactions. This allows a quick analysis of the trend. Now let us again go to F12 configure. This option here, include vouchers with exception. If we set this to yes, Tally will list out the transaction or transactions having exception. In this case, to the purchase ledger value. Let us set this to yes and view the report. So there is one transaction here which has an exception. So what is the exception? How do we view that? Select this and press Ctrl Enter and we will be inside the voucher. Now if you notice here, the basic value of the item is 25,000, but whereas the purchase value is 25,000 into 8 is 2 lakh, but the purchase value is 2 lakh 2,000 because an additional cost has been appropriated to the stock item. Now just to check what is this additional value that is appropriated, click here and when you press enter, it will take you into the subscreen of the item allocation where you will notice that there is this packing charge of 2,000 rupees which gets appropriated to the base value of the item. And that is how the purchase value has increased by 2,000 and that is the exception that Tally refers. Let's come back. Just remember to explore the F12 configure and the right side button bar for various analytical configurations. I hope this exceptional report, especially for the auditors, will give a quick analysis of the outliers of the value in any of the ledgers. So thank you all once again for staying till the end. See you all in the next session. Thank you very much.